In this quick video, I will show you how to shut down your computer or restart your computer by just using your keyboard. For example, we got some applications open on our computer on Windows 10, such as a browser, as you can see in here. First, you need to make sure that browser is selected. To make sure, without using your mouse, press Alt and Tab and then select that application. Once you're sure you have selected, then press Alt and F4. So we close that one. The trick is that the focus of that application should be in Windows. For example, I can demonstrate that by using my mouse and clicking on that application. And now the focus is on that application. So if I press again Alt and F4, it would shut down. Also, by just using Alt and Tab and bringing the focus on the application, any application, you could again use Alt and F4 to close that application. So now we have closed all the application, obviously except the one that I'm recording with. So we want to shut down the computer. The trick that it would always work irrespective of whether you got any other applications open or not is that you have to press Windows and D. Now we bring the attention to the desktop. This is the desktop. By pressing Windows and D, we brought the attention to the desktop. And now if I press Alt and F4, it brings this shut down Windows menu. And if I press the down or up buttons, I can select between switch user, sign out, sleep, shut down, or even restart. And if I would then press enter, it will restart. Obviously, if I press tab, I can go cancel and do whatever. Then once you're on OK, then all you need to do is to press enter and it would shut down.